Today's, today's editorial that we are going to discuss is Venus in focus. Venus is the second planet in our Earth, and also many scientists in our Earth are planning, as they are planning for the life on Venus, as it is same like Earth, and also have as it was same like Earth, and it is also called as a sister of Earth's sister planet, due to because of its shape, and also it varying the same size like Earth, and also it have same size, and also it have a rocky structure like Earth. So it is named like sister of the Earth's sister planet, and also it have a heavy atmosphere of carbon dioxide, as the atmosphere in on the Earth, on the Venus, is full of carbon dioxide, and also it have a highest temperature that it can melt a metal like means it can melt a metal like lead, melt a metal like lead, and also have that much highest temperature that it could melt a metal. And also some of the scientists found scientists found fofine, which an element in the Venus, that has been made of the Venus structure of land, and also this has been came from the one atom, one electron from phosphorus, and three electrons of hydrogen. Phosphine atom can be made by these two elements. Phosphine can be made by these two elements. So they have been founded some of these elements, and they are saying that it could vanish or extinct to it could be come to an extinct in some days, because it was very less in Venus. So um, um, it could be extended in some years or in some months. The scientists have been researching on it, and also this fact, when added to the hostile conditions on its surface, yields translating possibilities of phosphine survival through extraordinary chemistry and thermodynamics on the stubborn trip of biology and life. Their finding was the result years of careful study by the team international astronomers. They have As they have studied by the international astronomers. International astronomers Jane S. Greaves at Cardiff University, and also Cardiff University, and was announced in a paper published in Nature Astronomy. As the paper was published in Nature Astronomy, Professor Greaves first identified phosphine in Venus atmosphere in 2000 using the James Clerk Maxwell telescope in Hawaii, as he observed the element from using the James Clerk Maxwell telescope, and in 2017, and he was seeing that from the Hawaii, taking the telescope, he has been observing from the Hawaii for the further study and precise observations, using the Atlantica large millimeter, submillimeter, and array facultine child confirmed the suspicions of the researchers in 2019. The very caution exercised by the researchers in announcing the fact underlines that terrestrial life, as this can now only be taken further by making situ measurements in the atmosphere, and the presence of sulfuric acid in the atmosphere of Venus makes it high corrosive environment. And this is our today's editorial. Thank you.